See, now it's recording. There you go, right there.
It was still doing it anyway.
You can talk, LC. You can talk.
No, I'm just watching y'all with that camera.
This is the man that I
Wow.
Now, you know, I told your brother-in-law. Now, I told him, I said, now you buying 2 or 3 bags. I said, you messing up. I said, if you ain't gonna deal with that, I said, you better just leave that alone, let it go back, cause you're gonna make more against yourself in a way than you will get yourself right.
That's
You got
true.
to make your mind up if you're gonna hang in there or not. Cause right there, that's somewhere to be.
Yeah, it is.
That's somewhere to be, and that's something somebody else ain't gonna never get until they get their mind and make up to know what that is.
That's true.
But see,
That's
that
true.
right there is the next thing to heaven. And I ain't never been there.
Right.
That's
Okay.
life. And
Okay.
it's beautiful.
Elsie, you looking
amazing.
great. You looking
Now,
great.
this is the man that I gave the coffee to.
Right.
All y'all that don't believe, you can hear from him.
That's right.
My wife started him off with some coffee. Now look at him. I didn't see him when he first started doing it. I didn't get a chance, but I took a picture of him. And I just wanted y'all to hear from out of his mouth.
Right.
How this man been feeling. I've been trying to tell you people on Facebook. I've been sending y'all my information. But this man right here is an actual believer, and he's telling you from his own mouth how the coffee's been doing him. I'm gonna let him tell you.
Elsie, how does it make you feel?
It make me feel like I never felt before. It make me feel like I'm up in my soul, and I ain't all tired out and weak and stupid feeling. I feel like I got a lot of knowledge behind after having it that I already had with that was being overtaken by different things and different particles of my life. Now I feel like a brand new man again.
Wow. So how do you move? How is your mobility?
My mobility, I'm kicking. I'm kicking like a mud climber.
You said that coffee that good?
That coffee is good. Ain't no rejection